Hello, I am Rushikesh. Let's start the learning about the AWS Cloud Practitioner. So my today's topic is Amazon S3 overview and use cases. Amazon Simple Storage Service is one of the most essential service in AWS, providing developers and organizations with a secure, scalable, and durable cloud storage platform. It is designed to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the internet. S3 automatically replicate data across multiple availability zones ensuring 11.9 of durability. Because of its flexibility and cost effectiveness, it has become the backbone of data storage in the cloud. Organizations use Amazon S3 for a wide range of purposes such as storing application backups, hosting static website, archiving complements data, and creating data lake for analytics and machine learning. It also commonly used by developer for software delivery and integration with other AWS services like a CloudFront and Lambda and Athena. Amazon S3 buckets. Buckets are the top level container in Amazon S3 where all your data resides. Each buckets act as a logical partition for storing objects and has a global unique name. When creating a bucket, you choose an AWS region which determines where the data will be physically stored. This allows user to select a region close to their customers or compliance requirement for to reduce latency and meet data residency needs. Buckets can be customized with several configurations such as versioning, which allow multiple versions of the same files, lifecycle policies, which automate data on moment between storage classes, and logging, which records access activity for monitoring and auditing. This configuration make S3 buckets not only flexible buckets but for maintaining control and visible over storage data. Amazon S3 objects. Objects represent the actual data stored inside S3 buckets. Each object consists of a unique key, the data itself, metadata describing the file, and a version ID. If versioning is enabled, the object can be any type of file, text, image, videos, documents, or even entire data sets with a maximum size of up to a 5 terabytes per object. Although Amazon S3 appear to organize objects into folder and directories, the underlying structure is actual flat. The folder hierarchy is simulated by the object key naming conventions which uses slams to create a path like a appearance. This simple yet powerful design enable scalability and a quick data retrieval, regardless of the hierarchy data a user stores. Amazon S3 object stores classes. To meet diverse storage needs and cost requirements, Amazon S3 offers several storage classes. Each class is optimized for specific access pattern. The standard storage class is better based for frequency access data, offering low latency and high throw output. The standard infrequent access class is designed for data that is accessed occasionally but require fast retrieval when needs. One zone infrequent access stores data in single availability zone at lower cost suitable for non-critical backup. Glacier's deep archive are used for long-term archival storage, providing significant cost saving for rarely accessed data. User can define lifecycle policy to automatically move data between these classes based on its age, access frequently, reduce operational cost without sacrificing durability availability. Amazon S3 security. Security in Amazon S3 is built around multiple layers of protection. It starts with encryption, ensuring data remain confident both at rest and in transit. S3 support various encryption methods, including server-side encryption managed by AWS customer managed key through AWS key management service, just like KMS, and customer provided encryption keys. Access control in S3 is managed through AWS identity and access management, bucket policies, access control list, and the block public access features. This control allow fine gain permission to define who can access what resource and under what conditions. By following the principle of at least privilege and enabling monitoring tool like a CloudTrail, user can maintain a highly secure storage environment. S3 bucket policies. A bucket policy is in Amazon S3 is a set of permission written in JSON's format that control access to specify bucket and its content, unlike IAM policies which are attached to user group or role. Bucket policy are attached directly to bucket. This make them useful for defining centralized access rules. Bucket policy specify which action are allowed or denied. The principles involved and the resource affected administration can also apply conditions such as IP address restrictions or requirements for using HTTPS. By managing access at the bucket level, organization simplify permission and ensure. Thank you so much for this my video.